Alright, got an update on these grills. Coming along pretty good. Check that shit out. They're pretty tight, pretty hardcore, pretty sturdy. And you can fling them around a little bit. So, I had to sand on them with my hardcore grinder out in the shop because the DA wasn't cutting it. So, I need to finish an edge on the front, right here. And of course, fill in the gaps, like right there. And the gap back in here, because, you know, it's got to be smooth. I'm not sure if I'm going to use just regular old Bondo on it, or some kind of spackle, or more Gorilla Glue. But this is where I'm at. See, you look right here. It's like the surface of the damn moon. It's not supposed to do that, but it did that, so I gotta fix it. And I got this gap right here I gotta fix. Alright, so somebody was asking about how you do this. You get this 1/4-inch fan fold, right? And it comes in this great big pack. It's got like a bunch of it folded up. That's why they call it fan fold. And it's in like 4x2 sheets. You stretch it all out, it's like a whole wall. Alright, and then you take this screen door screen and you put it over top of it, the foam, like this. Then you squirt some Gorilla Glue on it. Yay, Gorilla Glue. Take one of these things and squeegee it into it. Alright? The shape that you want it to be depends. There's going to depend on how you do it. I had to make these. They're like bucks that fit inside the grills. Cool, huh? So that gives me a rough outline. Then I could make the fake grills almost the same size as real grills. Is that tits or what? Hell yeah, that's tits. And yeah, I got a broken TV sitting on my shelf here. My house isn't entirely done. Here, see? I'm still building my house. Give me a break. I only have so much time in the day and only so much that I can do in the winter. Anyway, this wasn't quite cured. And when I sanded on it, it popped a bunch of glue out that hadn't dried yet. So I got to do some body work, get it kind of smooth, because we can't have it running around with big old gaps. That just isn't going to work. I mean, you can't have a Holey goat with crappy looking grills, right? They got to look at least halfway decent. They can't look like some meth-addled monkey threw them together out of spare parts and, you know, whatever's laying around. Monkey poop. Yeah, monkey poop. I'm going to build everything out of monkey poop from now on. Hell yeah. Anyway, this is where I'm at. Getting some porosity. So I got to make it all nice and stiff, kind of smooth. I got to smooth it. But it's pretty hard though. These things ain't going nowhere. So that's where I'm at. And this is Monday the 14th. So I don't think I'm going to get into them in 4 days before the show down there in Kansas City. But I'm sure going to try. Tomorrow's going to be real busy for me. We'll see.
2,000 years later.